Good morning, everyone. For today's video, we will be able to learn and understand what is simple interest. Let's go. Simple interest is a method to calculate the amount of interest charged on a sum at a given rate and for a given period of time. The formula on solving the interest is I equals PRT, where I is the interest, P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, and T for time. For example number 1. Robert purchased a car worth 48,000 pesos. He borrowed the money from the bank at 10% per annum for a period of 4 years. How much interest he has to pay after the period? So, remember the formula? Interest equals PRT. So, the principal amount here is 48,000 pesos. The rate, 10%. 10% into decimal form is 0.1. And the time is 4 years. So, let's put 4. So, put all the values. 48,000 times 0.1 times 4. So perform the operation. 48,000 times 0.1 is equals to 4,800. 4,800 times 4 is equals to 19,200. So don't forget to write the sign. So therefore we can conclude that the interest he has to pay after the period is 19,200. Example number 2. Calculate the simple interest if the principal amount is 2,000 pesos, the time period is 1 year, and the rate is 10%. Also, calculate the total amount at the end of the year. So in this example, we need to find the simple interest and the total amount. So the formula of simple interest, I equals PRT. So the principal amount here is 2,000 pesos. The rate is 10%. And to decimal form, it is 0.1. And the time is 1 year. So substitute all the value. 2,000 times 0.1 times 1. Perform the operation. 2,000 times 0.1 is equals to 200. Then 200 times 1 is equals to 200. So the simple interest here is 200 pesos. To find the total amount, we need to add the principal amount and the interest. So the amount is principal plus interest. So the principal amount here is 2,000 pesos plus the interest 200. So perform the operation. 2,000 plus 200 is equals to 2,200. So therefore, the simple interest is 200 pesos and the total amount at the end of the year is equals to 2,200 pesos. And that's all for the example. I hope you learned something.